Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on your Samsung S26. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and check cable and a charger for any damage or compatibility. So it is very important. I got the USB-C cable right here. I know that it is not damaged, but I also know that it's not compatible with the phone itself. So it won't fast charge it, it will only slow it down or not charge it at all, and the battery will keep on dropping even though if it shows that it's charging right here. Now what you guys want to do next is go over and clean your charging port. You know that it is at the bottom, so make sure to clean this. It is also very important to keep up with it because we don't want to have our port stuck with something else like dust. Next, what you guys want to do is enable fast charging in the settings. So open up the settings app, scroll down to the battery, and scroll here to charging settings. Make sure to enable fast charging, and that's basically what you guys can do. Next, what you guys can do is, as a last resort, update your software. So you scroll all the way down to software update in the settings, click check for updates, make sure you have Wi-Fi. And my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.